this is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of Lexis & Company and I am a law student of IME Law College, and today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is death penalty in India. Hanging and shooting are the two methods of death penalty in India. According to the Criminal Procedure Code, hanging is the method of execution in the civilian court system. The Army Act of 1950, however, lists both hanging and shooting as official method of execution in the military court marital system. According to a study by National Law University in Delhi, 755 people have been hanged in the independent India until now. And there are very much popular case, the hanging of Mamoon in 2015, Mohammad Afzal, who was convicted of plotting the 2001 Parliament attack, and he was hanged on 8 February 2013. And there is one more case, Muhammad Azmal Amir Kasab, convicted in 2008 for the Mumbai terror attack and was hanged on 21 November 2012. And there is one more case, Dhananjay Chatterjee, chained and convicted with the murder and rape of 14-year-old girl, and he was hanged in 2004. Among the most talked about death sentence before this was that the Otto Shankar aka Gauri Shankar, a serial killer, hanged in 1995. Data for both penalties in India varies from sources to another. According to 1961 Law Commission report, at least 1,400 prisoners were executed in just 10 years between 1954 and 1963. After Dhananjay Chatterjee death sentence, however, there were reports citing government data that he was only the 55th person to be hanged since 1947. In 2006 study conducted by the National Law University in Delhi put this number at 755. The discrepancy in the figure arises mainly due to lack of official figures and very little data available in public domain on the death sentence carried out in India. Now we discuss what are the crimes punishable by the death. Crimes punishable by death in India include aggravated murder, other offences resulting in death, and terrorism resulted in death, and human trafficking and espionage and military offences, and etc. And the judgment in the Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab play a crucial role in deciding whether any crime deserves death penalty or not. For example, under the Indian Arms Act 1959, using, carrying, manufacturing, selling, transferring, or testing prohibited arms or ammunition had a mandatory death sentence in case of casualty. But a Supreme Court order in February 2012 had ruled this provision unconstitutional in light of the judgment in Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. And this suggests that offences resulting in death are punishable by death only when they meet the rarest of rarest standard laid out in the Bachchan Singh case. Following the 2000 gang rape and murder, the Supreme Court amended the law in April 2013 and make it more stringent by adding new categories of offences regarding violence against women and minor girls. Such legislation has come to India for the first time, and the Parliament has given its approval. And here the question arises, is death penalty constitutional or not? Here is the case, the Mithu versus State of Punjab. The Supreme Court passed the judgment that death penalty is not a mandatory punishment for the above listed crime, and the Supreme Court has laid down the death penalty is unconstitutional. That section 416 of the CRPC says if a woman sentenced to death is found to be pregnant, the High Court shall order the execution of the sentence to be postponed and may, if think fits, commute the sentence to the imprisonment for her life. Here the mercy petition process. For a convict to file a mercy petition, his or her death sentence must be confirmed by a High Court first. The law says the death sentence convicted has an option to appeal the Supreme Court. If Supreme Court either refuses to hear the appeal or uphold the death sentence, then the convict or his relative can submit a mercy petition to the President of India according to the Article 72, or also can submit the mercy petition to the Governor of the state according to the Article 161. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video, and so do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.